Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we import image in AutoCAD. To import image in AutoCAD, you have to type command IM and press space or enter. And here you can see this one is reference manager. And here you can see the plus sign attach reference. Just click here and now give the path of the image. I'll select this which I already saved on desktop. I'll just click open here, then I'll not change anything. I'll just click OK, and here it is showing me attach specify insertion point. I'll click here, and if I hover my mouse to any direction like this, so it will gonna scale. And if I click anywhere, now you can see that I have inserted the image here like this. So this is the way you can insert image in AutoCAD. I hope you find this video useful. So take care. Bye bye.